Hello everybody! Today we are going to have a small video tutorial about the right way how to weld metal hinges to metal doors. As you can see, I have already prepared one metal cabinet, big metal cabinet in my small workshop, and we are going to start the process. As for the process itself, first we are going to mark the position of the hinges. Then we are going to clean the metal from the oil and the impurities. We are going to place the doors again, and then we are going to start the welding. So let's start. The first thing is to mark the position of the hinge. We are going to take 15 centimeters from the construction upwards. This is the bottom of the cabinet, not from the door, from the construction. And we are going to mark 15 centimeters. That is about here, here. So the position of the hinge will be like this. This part will be bottom part, this part will be upper part. So the door can be lifted upwards. For cleaning, we need to clean this part here. And we need to clean this part here for weld to stuck. Welding will be done here and here. On the upper side we are going to deduct 15 centimeters from the top, and the middle part is in the middle. For the cleaning of the metal sheet we are going to use this flap disc. Its grade is 120. We don't want to use a more aggressive disc because this is the 0.8 millimeter sheet, and we don't want to take too much material out of it, just to clean the surface. Okay, as you can see, this surface is now ready for welding. As for grinding the metal frame, I'm going to switch to the more powerful grinding stone. This way we can reach to the bare metal of the frame. So this is one nicely clean metal frame. So as you can see, I'm using these cutoffs to lift the door a few millimeters, so we have a nice fit all over the place. So far we have positioned our doors, we have cleaned the surface. Now we are going to place the hinges. This particular hinge has a hole in the upper part. It's used for putting grease inside, so the hinge operates smoothly. And last thing we need to do is to put some distance between the hinges and the doors. I'm using these plastic straps for that purpose. Let me show you how I'm doing that. One more. This is the right setup for welding hinges. For welding a 0.8 mm thick metal sheet, I'm going to use 50 amps and 16 volts. Just one more thing before I start welding. I'm using this piece of metal sheet in order to get better contact between the hinge and the ground. Otherwise, we have a distance with these plastic straps between the hinge and the metal frame, so the ground will be not so good. for the start we are not going to weld complete length. We will just tack on a few places the hinge and check if these hinges are working properly. Well, the doors are working fine. Now we are going to finish the welding. This is the result of our work. As you can see, we have welded and placed our hinges. They work just okay. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the end. I hope that you will find my other videos on my channel and watch them too. Until the next time, bye.